Hey everyone! Welcome back to Front End Flick Official. Rocket. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful and widely used concepts in JavaScript: higher order functions. If you've ever worked with callbacks, array methods like .map or .filter, or even event listeners, then you've already encountered higher order functions. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use them to write cleaner, reusable, and efficient JavaScript code. Let's jump right in. What are higher order functions? So, what exactly are higher order functions? A higher order function, or HOF, is a function that does one of two things. Keycap 1, it either takes another function as an argument, or Keycap 2, it returns a function as its result. This makes higher order functions incredibly powerful because they allow you to abstract patterns of behavior and build reusable logic. They're the cornerstone of functional programming in JavaScript and are essential for tasks like event handling, array transformations, and asynchronous programming. Why are higher order functions important? Alright. Why should we care about higher order functions? Well, here's why. Keycap 1, they enable functional programming, which is all about writing reusable and predictable code. Keycap 2, they help manage code complexity by breaking logic into smaller, testable units. Keycap 3, they're commonly used in everyday tasks like array manipulation, event handling, and working with asynchronous data. Simply put, higher order functions are a tool every JavaScript developer must master to write efficient and clean code. Example 1. Functions take another function as an argument. Let's start with an example where a higher order function takes another function as an argument. For example, here, calculate is a higher order function because it takes another function operation as a parameter. This makes it super flexible. You can pass any operation, whether it's addition, multiplication, or even custom logic. Example 2. Functions returning another function 400 to 500. Now let's look at a higher order function that returns another function. For example, here, greets is a higher order function because it returns a new function. This is especially useful when you need dynamic or customized behavior, like personalized greetings. Common built-in higher-order functions. Array methods. Thought also has built-in higher-order functions like .map, .filter, and .reduce. Let's break them down. .map example transforms each item in an array. .filter example filters elements based on a condition. .reduce example accumulates a result from an array. These array methods are higher-order functions because they take a callback function and apply it to each element in the array. Advanced examples. Currying and utility functions. Here's another advanced concept, currying, where a function is transformed into a series of functions. For example, by currying, you can break down functions into smaller, reusable units, making your code more modular and flexible. And don't forget, functions like setTimeout, setInterval, and event listeners are also higher-order functions because they take other functions as arguments. Benefits of higher-order functions. Let's quickly summarize the benefits of using higher-order functions. Keycap 1. Reusability. Write generic functions that can handle a variety of cases. Keycap 2. Code readability. Shorter and cleaner code compared to imperative loops. Keycap 3. Abstraction. Encapsulate complex logic in reusable functions. Here's a great example of abstraction using a logging utility. For example, this is why higher-order functions are invaluable. They make your code more modular, maintainable, and predictable. Alright, that's a wrap on higher-order functions in JavaScript. To recap, Keycap 1. Higher-order functions take functions as arguments or return them as results. Keycap 2. They're essential for functional programming, array transformations, and event handling. Keycap 3. Mastering them will make your code cleaner, more reusable, and easier to manage. If this video helped you understand higher-order functions better, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more awesome JavaScript content. Let me know in the comments which higher-order function you use the most or where you've found them useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding! Rocket!